day! Welcome to our cooking show, the Dulce Show.
So now we have here Miss Tyra Gonzales, the person behind the sweet success of the product Sweet Potato Shop.
Hi! So, I am Tyra Gonzales and I am the head chef and owner of the Dulce company. And now I'm going to show you the process of making our sweet potato shots. So, we already have...
Wait! I can be your partner, just if you need. Okay, so what we're going to do first?
Let's put our apron.
Okay, wait.
Okay. So, we already have here a mashed sweet potato. The next step is to get a 1/4 cup.
Okay, 1/4 cup.
We will add a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You need to let it in. And then, next is 1/3 cup of measuring cup.
1/3.
1/3 cup of sugar. The same thing. And then you just want to mix it all in.
So, Miss Tyra, other than being a chef or a cook, what particular thing are you into? Yes.
Also in with makeup, and then I'm also a senior accountant, and then that's all. Okay, and after mixing it all in, guys, you have to add a 1/2 stick of butter. So we have it here. And just mix it in. It kind of looks ugly in this part, but when you add the egg, it will look nicer.
Why do we need to put egg?
It's sort of a binding ingredient for this.
To make it sticky or hold.
It holds its shape.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are going to add the egg. 1 egg.
Why only 1 egg? It
Two?
doesn't mean that if you put 2 eggs, it will hold the shape more firmer,
The more the merrier.
No, because the mixture will be wet.
Oh, okay.
And the pie crust will be soggy.
So what we're going to do next?
I will just mix it dry.
Okay.
Chill.
If the mixture is too wet, guys, you just have to add another cup of flour. In this case, we are going to add a 1/3 cup of flour.
Okay.
Same thing, you have to level it in order to get the exact measurement.
Miss Tyra, I have a question.
Yes.
Why did you choose baking or something like if you're an accountant? So in accounting, you'll gain
More money.
higher income or.
Being accounting is already a big opportunity.
Yes, I know that, but baking is really my passion and I really love doing it.
Since you were in grade school or junior high?
In my senior high, because I am an ABM
Okay.
student, right? And we have this called marketing subject, and this is this is exactly our product for our business plan from grade 11 to grade 1.
Oh, okay. It's surely a good one because you continue it.
Yeah. If the consistency is good already and it looks like this, you are going to transfer it in a molder. In this case, we have our baking sheet at the back. We have here the baking pan. So first, first thing you'll do is to grease the baking pan.
Oh wait, I didn't wash my hands here.
So grease it with butter.
Why do we need to put butter?
In order for the mixture to not stick with the When you're done greasing your baking pan, you will also grease your hands for the mixture to not mix with your hands also. So, okay, so you'll get some of the mixture and then you will mold it in the baking pan. Just like this.
Okay.
What?
Play.
Yeah.
When you were a kid, you used to play with clay to mold something. So after this, what do you do?
After preheating your oven to 350 degrees, you are going to bake this for 35 minutes. After filling the baking pan with the mixture, you are going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees, 35 minutes. While waiting, we are going to make the gelatin mix for the sweet potato shots. While waiting for the crust to finally be cooked, we are going to make the filling for our sweet potato shots. So first, you are going to pour all the 370 ml of all-purpose cream. And then turn on the stove. Medium heat. You have to continue stirring the all-purpose cream in order for it to not stick on the pan. The next step is to pour all the gelatin mix, the Knox gelatin, to the all-purpose block.
The Knox gelatin will use what unflavored?
Yeah, it is unflavored. You have to continue stirring the mixture for the gelatin and the all-purpose cream to fully combine together. Then add 1/3 cup of sugar. And then just mix. Mix it until the gelatin, all-purpose cream, and the sugar are fully mixed. Now that the gelatin and all-purpose cream are fully mixed together, and the next step is to get the crust and then fill it with a filling.
Okay, I'll get it. And now the crust is already cooked and ready to be filled with the gelatin mix.
So then we are going to fill our crust with our gelatin mix. So get out the all the crust. Set it aside. Okay, that's yours. So this time we are going to fill it with the gelatin mix. So it's time for us to put the toppings, the mango and the pineapple toppings.
Wait, I have a question. Other than this fruit that we have, what else in a particular fruit can you suggest in putting up with the our product here?
Yeah.
So according to our trial and error, while we are in the senior high school, we find it very, very nice to pair this with the mango and pineapple, but we also think that apple will also be a good pair.
How about banana? Can you pair it with?
I don't like banana.
Well, according to our survey, these two fruits, the mango and pineapple, is the most liked by the students. So we choose the mango and the pineapple instead of banana, apple, or other fruits.
Since your store located in the
University of
campus.
Yeah.
So this is to satisfy the students.
So we are going to top it with the fruits, the mango and the pineapple. You will top it with pineapple and we will top it with the...
Okay. Well, we don't have a spoon, so
So give me a spoon. Okay.
okay.
Would you like to try?
I don't think.
How much will I put?
Like 4 or 5.
Or do I need to comment?
And now it is ready to be placed in the refrigerator. So after chilling it in the refrigerator for like 20 to 30 minutes, it is now ready. So, taste.
It tastes yummy, you know.
It tastes amazing.
This looks and tastes so amazing. It doesn't taste too sweet because the crust is not that sweet. It's just, it complements well with the gelatin mix. So you may try it on your home and you may also make it as a business. So again,
we did.
okay. So again, thank you for Miss Tyra Gonzales for sharing this recipe with us, and
Hope you may try it at home, guys.
that's all for today. Bye. Thank you.